Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather your tools, a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap. These tools will help you safely open your device without causing any damage. First, make sure your Asus UX425E is powered off and unplugged. Removing the battery while the laptop is powered on can lead to electrical damage. Next, flip the laptop over carefully. You'll notice several screws securing the back panel. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove these screws. Keep them in a small container to avoid losing any. As you remove the last screw, be cautious, as the back panel could come loose. Now, take your plastic spudger and gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around to avoid breaking the clips. Take your time with this step to ensure that you don't damage the casing. Once the back panel is off, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Before proceeding, ensure you're wearing your anti-static wrist strap to prevent any static discharge from damaging internal components. Disconnect the battery by carefully pulling the connector away from the motherboard. You might need to wiggle it a bit, but avoid using excessive force. If you find this challenging, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation to help you out. Next, remove the screws securing the battery. There are typically 2 to 4 screws holding it in place. Use your Phillips screwdriver to take these out, and again, store the screws safely. After unscrewing, lift the battery out gently, being mindful of any additional connectors. Now, it's time to install the new battery. Place it in the same position as the old battery and secure it with the screws you previously removed. Reconnect the battery to the motherboard, ensuring it's firmly seated. If you're unsure about this step, our service includes pickup and delivery at your home, making it easier for you to get professional help without any hassle. With the new battery installed, it's time to reassemble your laptop. Place the back panel back on, ensuring that all clips snap into place. Replace the screws you removed earlier to secure the back panel. Ensure each screw is tightened properly, but avoid over-tightening, which could damage the casing. Now, flip your laptop back over and plug it in. Press the power button to turn it on and check if the new battery is recognized. You can check this in the system settings under the battery section. Your Asus UX425E should now be ready for use with its new battery. If you encounter any issues or if you're not comfortable performing these steps, remember that we provide a quote before repair. No calls, no travel, just a simple pickup service at your convenience. This ensures you get professional assistance without any stress. Enjoy your rejuvenated Asus UX425E. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.